Oh, hello guys. So today I'm going to talk about Bitcoin and give you guys an overview of what I think it's going to happen and where I think the market is going to move. And also I'm going to talk about peak resets. Like I promised you guys that I was going to talk about peak resets. It's been a while I did one of these videos, so let's get right into it. So I'm going to talk about peak reset first. So what is a peak reset? Once the market resets, it's going to form a new peak. This means that the new peak will take the place of the old peak. And after this peak reset, the market can go on to give level 1, 2, and 3 drops before giving a new peak. Now, when this happens, you can either have a confirmed peak reset and a non-confirmed peak reset. So in this case here, what we have is a confirmed peak reset because looking at this market, we've been given level 1 drop, level 2 drop, and level 3 drop. Now, this was the first attempt of the market to give a peak, and there was a reset here. Also, market came down here. This is where it's giving clear. So let me use this one as an example. So here, the market has formed a peak. You can see the W formation. This is the peak log, given the level 1 rise. Now, the next thing we were expecting from the market was to form a level 2 cross, but market did not do that. Instead, there was a peak reset here. Now, how does a peak reset look? Peak resets, they happen on the 200 EME. So you're going to see a reaction on the 200 EMA. Basically, the market hitting the 200 EMA and reversing back. And on reversing back, there is going to be a clear cross of the 13 and the 50 EMA days. So when you're in this trade, you took a buy from here. Now you see this reaction, the market ranging on the 200 EMA. What are you going to do? Probably you're still going to hold your trade because market can still come down here before going up. Now, when this happens and you see this level 1 cross, which is the 13 and the 50 EMA, when this happens, you're expecting a peak reset. The best you can do at that moment is exit this buy and look for sales until you see something else. So this is the previous peak. And once the peak reset is given and this former peak is taken out, you call this a confirmed peak. Let's say the market came down to this place and gave another W before going up. You call this a non-confirmed peak. So this is it for the peak reset. Let me come again. Peak reset happens after a peak formation has been formed. After a peak has been formed on the 200 EMA, supposedly on the level 2 cross, we're going to have a peak reset. Now, the market makers, they use this peak reset to complete a cycle. They use it to complete a cycle. And when this happens, you're going to have a reversal trade until a new peak is formed before you start looking for buys.